Solidworks simulation gives designers access to powerful analysis capabilities, enabling them to improve their product performance, quality, and reliability. Solidworks simulation isn't just about making sure your product is strong enough. It's about understanding how your product will behave in the real world during the design phase, so you can catch and correct problems early on, saving you time and money. Let's look at a product you're all familiar with, a bicycle. Now, a bicycle has to be strong and durable, as it can be subjected to extreme loads and abuse during its lifetime. The design of a bicycle has to balance weight, strength, and endurance to deliver a lightweight design with a long service life. With its easy-to-use, powerful capabilities, Solidworks simulation is the ideal tool to improve the service life of a bicycle using a stress and fatigue analysis. Let's concentrate on the pedal crank. Solidworks simulation makes it easy to apply the pedal loads and restraints, and the resultant stresses and displacements are quickly calculated. With a maximum pedal displacement of 4 millimeters, the rider would feel that the pedal is too flexible, and we can see that the material of the pedal crank has yielded, showing that the design is also not strong enough. With Solidworks, this design problem is easily solved, and the crank is quickly redesigned and the analysis recalculated. It's now both stiff and strong enough, but what about its service life? Is there a chance that the pedal crank will fatigue? And if so, how many pedal revolutions before failure? The answer to this complex problem is easy with Solidworks simulation, and a fatigue study is quickly set up, and a varying load is applied to the crank. Once the analysis is solved, we can see the crank lifetime, or number of cycles to failure, is just over 1 million cycles, or pedal revolutions. From this result, the crank's service life in terms of hours or miles of cycling can easily be calculated. And in a few short minutes, using Solidworks simulation, we have improved our design and validated that it's both strong enough and durable enough to meet your customers' expectations. Solidworks simulation gives every designer the tools to evaluate how their designs will work in the real world, giving performance feedback early in the design process, allowing you to make critical design decisions with confidence. Test your next design with Solidworks simulation to visualize how it will perform without having to build expensive and time-consuming prototypes. To find out more, contact your local Solidworks reseller to see how you can easily attain meaningful results with Solidworks simulation.